Hi everyone, this is Halloween series 2022 week 2. This week I'll be making skull meatloaves. What all goes into the skull meatloaves? 1.5 pounds of ground beef, or 2 pounds if you're not going to be using any Italian sausage. I'm not going to be using any sausage, so I'll be using 2 pounds. 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 packet onion soup mix, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 3/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup water, and I'm almost out, but 1/3 cup ketchup. And then whatever you want to use to decorate your skulls with after they're done. So let's begin. So here is my skull pan. I'll be making my meatloaves in this pan. You'll want to spray that. I'm using low-fat ground beef, so I want to make sure I spray and get all of the crevices so it won't stick. Preheat the oven to 350. So take a large bowl and dump all of your ingredients in the bowl. 2 pounds of ground beef, or 1.5 pounds of ground beef and 1/2 pound of Italian sausage if you'd rather. The 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, the 1 packet of onion soup mix, the 1 small yellow onion finely chopped, the 2 eggs lightly beaten, the 3/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, the 1/2 cup of water, and the 1/3 cup of ketchup. Then take your very clean hands and mix it all together until thoroughly combined. Make sure you get clear to the bottom so it all gets mixed. All right, so that looks pretty good. Let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. So take your skull pan and fill it up with the meatloaf mixture. Squish it down so it gets into all of the details of the skull. Now Dave just bought me a new microphone. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It is DJI. So let me know how you think it sounds. I'll put the link down below. So the pan is all full, and I had a little bit left over, so I just stuck it in my smallest loaf pan that I had. So I'll stick it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the meatloaf is brown and it's no longer pink on the inside. So it's been 40 minutes. I took it out of the oven. It is brown on the top. I just checked this one, which is one of the thicker ones, and there's no pink inside. We'll let it rest for 10 minutes, let the meatloaf set up. So here they are after they sat for 10 minutes. We'll get them all looking gruesome and we'll serve it up. So here is the skull meatloaf sitting on a bed of taco rice maggots. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is that a meatloaf?
It is. It's a skull meatloaf sitting on a bed of taco rice maggots.
That's kind of what it looked like. Is it Halloween or something?
It is. It's that time of year.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.